Today we're showing you a 2019 John Deere 6155R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat air. Tractor has right at 2,300 hours on it. It's a very clean, very nice tractor. We did put 4 new tires on it, so it's got brand new tires all the way around it. Tractor also is AutoTrac Ready, has the 20-speed AutoQuad transmission, also has the deluxe electric over hydraulic SCV controls. So very nice tractor. It is the R series, so it's the premium grade tractor, and very well equipped there, as we mentioned before. Paint's in really nice shape on the unit. Does have the electric mirrors on it. Has the beacon warning light up top there. Front weights here go with the tractor. Has the panoramic doors on both sides, rack and pinion axles. Does have one set of rear wheel weights on the inside of each wheel. 540 N1000 PTO, has a drawbar and top link with the tractor. Triple rear remotes. Does have the ISO connector there. Very, very clean tractor. Show the inside of the cab. Does have the buddy seat here. Has the air ride seat for the operator. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. It's very nice and clean in here, similar to the outside. Does have the 20-speed AutoQuad transmission. Touchscreen command center, and again does have the deluxe hydraulic controls there as well. 3-point control and PTO also located to the right there. And then up top you've got your radio and your mirror controls. Also front and rear roller blind, sun visor, and the rear view mirror there as well. Very clean tractor. Again, right at 2,300 hours on it. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. We have approximately 150 used tractors on our yard. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.